Alright, hello, I'm Jordan, again. This will be my third video, so how long is it? Today I'm just going to talk about this thing I got. It's called a sonic screwdriver. Kinda cool to me, maybe just a toy to some people. It does this. It's from Doctor Who. It's pretty much a tool that he uses. It's not the original one. It's, I think, the third or fourth kind, I'm not exactly sure. It's used by the 11th Doctor, Matt Smith. He showed up in the Reincarnated series, seasons 5, 6, and there's going to be a 7th one. Anyways, Silverlight. It extends, but this button does not work when it extends. So they had this little hidden button back here. Just press it and it works like that. There is a tiny button here to do this with, but it's a little hard to press unless you have small fingers. So yeah, I ordered this all the way from the UK. They said it would take about 18 to 26 days to get here. It took 6. My mother ended up opening it. Didn't get the fun of doing that. Yeah. One of my friends suggested that I tell jokes. Not very good at that. Let's see what else. Well, I'm going to be doing videos at school. My sibling is going to let me borrow their iPod every once in a while, like maybe once or twice a week. And so I can make videos at school and include friends, like the one that is giving me the idea to tell jokes or juggle and spin plates, which I can do any of those. I've got science jokes, but those don't really humor many people. I don't know if you can hear the song. It's Some Nights by Fun. It's their newest album, I believe. Oh, this thing actually has a couple hidden features. Right, this is one sound. This is another. Right, I'll put it a little closer so you can hear. Where's the microphone? Oh well. There's one sound. That's another. Then if you press it twice and hold it down on the third one, it has like a little ray gun noise. And if you hold it down on the fourth button, it basically sounds like the screwdriver on the episode when they were in the library. That's the episode's name, I believe. The moon was interfering with David Tennant's screwdriver, which is not this one. This is Matt Smith's. David Tennant's maybe extends to about that long. Yay long. It's blue. It's a lot skinnier, smaller, and it slides up. You can still press the button here when you use it. I believe there's a back button, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, the thing I said at the beginning, Allons-y, I believe, if I'm correct, it means let's go in French. Could be the sled, but I don't know. Got this little clock thing, like last week. I don't know if you can see it, it's a clock. Correct, one second. Clock right there. It's the map of the world, it spins around. And it does that, and all this weird stuff. So yeah, I'm just still taking requests for anything that you people might want to see. Maybe a game review, songs review, singing, being weird, some videos at school. I can go around doing those. Anything really, as long as I can actually physically do it. And yeah, that's about it. Later.